Hey, yo, let's go, boss up, baby. Welcome back to the YouTube channel where we talk about getting up out the 9-to-5 rat race by finding gig apps, finding these ways to start our own businesses, get our own gigs, get our own contracts in this courier thing, or starting your own business ventures, different side hustles. We all about that on this channel. So if you like this type of information, hit that like and subscribe button for me. I'm trying to get up to 100,000 subscribers. Help your boy get there. I need to get there. Get these views up, man. I'm blessing y'all every day with information on how to get paid with no long talk, no long intros, man. Just got to make sure y'all know who I am and what I'm about. So let's get into it. We got a good company I'm going to bring y'all pretty much nationwide. Move them packs, not people. What we talking about? Talking about US Pack. US Pack. Yes, you could go uspack.com. Go uspack.com. It's the website. You see it here. You know how we do on this channel. I'll actually show you how to get in, how to apply, what to put in to make sure you get picked or make sure you get a phone call back, or how to get in contact with these people to submit your bid on these contracts or to submit your information to get pulled as a driver. Whatever your goal, whatever your mission is, get down with them. You know what I mean? So for the Find Them Out expert, you got the regular homepage stuff. This is more for people who needing stuff delivered. We are actually trying to do the delivering. We're trying to get paid on this side. So let's go ahead and scroll down to the bottom, like I always show you guys. On 99% of these websites, if you want to know where to find out how to drive, you go right down to the bottom of the page. We got employment opportunities, driver opportunities, become an agent. And right here it also says drive with us. So you can go straight to here. Boom. You want to drive with them. And now this automatically pulls up an email. You can't see it, it's not coming up on the screen, but it's actually going to an email. So that's one little key, one little gem I want to bring to you guys. If you cannot hire, if you submit your bid, submit your contract, if you put in an application, you fill out these forms, you do not get any call back within a week. Go ahead, be proactive and reach out to them. A lot of times these companies have their phone number. A lot of times they have a web email. In this case, it's an email. So if you come down here and click that drive with us, it actually takes you straight to an email. But we ain't got there yet. We still got some ways to get down. So we're going to be proactive first and not just beg them. We're going to see what they got to offer and see if this opportunity is even in our area. So we're going to go to driving opportunities down at the bottom of the page. You can see all the cities and states they are in this little drop down box where it says city. We got Arizona, Colorado, Connecticut, Florida, Illinois, Indiana, Massachusetts, Minnesota, New York, New Jersey, North Carolina, Ohio, Pennsylvania, South Carolina, Texas, Utah, West Virginia, and Wisconsin. Georgia, no. California. Do got Florida, no. So some of the we do got Texas. I apologize. We do got Texas on there and Pennsylvania. So there's no Georgia. There's not my home state, and no California. Sorry about that. But pretty much everywhere else they got it, or if they're not there, no Alabama or Louisiana. But if they're not there, they're probably in a bordering state to you. So, depending on how far to drive, you can get that. But let's get into some of the other states that they got. So we got Arizona, Colorado. Where do I see? I got some comments on my last video. We got a lot of North Carolina comments on my last video. So let's go to North Carolina. So go ahead and comment down below what city and state you're watching this from, and I can find work in your area in these videos. So let's go ahead and find North Carolina. North Carolina got some in Charlotte. This was posted on the 9th. Let's click on the latest one. So it's basically just giving out the name, information, vehicle, whatever you see, where you saw this ad, and then you submit it. They go straight to them. So sometimes on US Pack, they have like third-party vendors that they partner with, and it seems to their page, or you apply strictly through World Pack. And also they get their phone number right here for independent contractor opportunities. They got their phone number here as well. So They got a lot of ways to get in contact with them, people. So do not be lazy and just send in one little form and cross your fingers, hope you get picked. Here's another one, Gastonia, outside of Charlotte. Same deal. Don't really give a bunch of information on pay on this one. It does give how many miles, about how many hours, the days of the week. Jacksonville, North Carolina, New Bern, North Carolina. So they got, a couple of routes all through North Carolina, Waynesville. Let's see what other state I get. I get a lot of Texas as well on the comments. We got Austin, El Paso, Louisville in Texas. So Texas, like I said, they keep it pretty updated with a lot of work. Most of these listings from, past 30 days. Grapevine, Carrollton, El Paso. No, that's in Texas. Veterinarian, Pet Cemetery on you. So yeah, that's US Pack, Final Mile Logistics. Make these videos longer than they need to be, when they need to be, I should say. But like I said, I did show you guys how to get in contact with them via email and phone number. They're in just about every state. You can break down the searches through city, vehicle type. If you got a minivan, an SUV, a small car, that'll waste your time, searching, seeing if the job available for your size vehicle or available in your area. You can break it all the way down, state and vehicle type. It's a great way to search and find jobs and kind of compare different companies. So I bring you at least over 100 companies on this channel over the past few years. I also have a list down in the description if you want to get a list of all the medical courier companies and some of the companies that I've talked about. You can get the direct link, takes you right to the company. All those are down below in the description area. But yeah, so US Pack for sticking around this video, a little gem for you guys. Actually, one of these links, I might drop a free link to get all those for you. So go ahead and leave your city and state down in the comment section. Hit that like and subscribe button for me. I appreciate you guys checking in with me, sticking around with the channel. I know I've been away for a while, but I'm really ramping back up with the content. And for my new subscribers, my new people finding me, yes, man, I've been blessing you guys with content like this for a couple of years. So welcome, come on in. Go ahead and do a deep dive on some of my playlists. I guarantee you will find work in your area rocking with your boy. All right. Till next time, boss up, baby.